Good evening, Ben Franklin families. This is Mr. Martin. I know I sent an announcement earlier today, but I just want to get some more information out to you tonight. I've just been given permission to share this. Of course, we all know that distance learning will continue next week, the week of October 12th. Monday through Friday, we'll have distance learning. Monday, October 12th, periods 2, 4, 6, and 8 will meet. The starting times are listed here: 9 a.m., 10:25 a.m., 12:15, and 1:40. Please make sure your child logs in, goes to EduCal, and Zooms with your teachers. All classes will meet, including advisory. Advisory will be held for 6th graders, period 4, on Monday, October 12th. But here's the change that's coming up that I want to share with you. Our full schedule, the full length of the day, will resume on Monday, October 19th. Now that's in 2 weeks, but I just want to prepare you for it. We'll start our day at 8:50, like we used to last year, and like we have been so far. And we'll end the day at 3:35. Instead of 37-minute periods, we will have 45-minute periods again, or 44-minute periods. So want to make you aware of that. Kids will be coming for a longer day than they used to. This is the schedule that we had a year ago before we even heard what COVID was. Now, which students will be here? We will continue to have the red group, yellow group rotation. It'll be every other day. The week of October 19th is a short week. So on October 19th, the red day group kids will come. On October 20th, kids in the yellow group will be at school. Wednesday, October 1st, is a morning for office hours where students can reach out to their teachers if needed from 8 to 9 a.m. And then from 9 a.m. to noon, teachers will reach out to students if needed. Kids who are struggling, that'll be a time for teachers to schedule time with students who are struggling. Now, what's going to happen the next week, the week of October 26th, there will be 4 days of classes, with Monday and Wednesday being red group days, Tuesday and Thursday being yellow group days. The hope is that this every other day schedule will allow teachers to do better planning and prepping with their kids and making sure they actually get through more curriculum than they did when they didn't see their kids for 5-day stretches and more at a time. Again, Friday of that week of October 26th, the last day of that week, teachers will have office hours where kids can check in from 8 to 9, but then from 9 to noon, teachers will reach out to kids who are struggling, who aren't proficient, who are missing work. They'll reach out and schedule time with those kids to get caught up. I hope this has been helpful. I hope this has been informative. Look for another announcement tomorrow morning. We'll try to keep you up to speed, everybody. Take care.